Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to rectify the Facebook error. That is, the Facebook error cannot be rectified, but simply the Facebook servers are down. So as you may know that when you go and open Facebook first in the first place and you go and type in your email address and enter your password, you may get such an error. Don't worry, this is quite fine. And as you know, PUBG may not work and you may get this type of error. Even if you go ahead and open Facebook, you go ahead and uninstall it, and then you want to install it again once more. If you notice, the error won't be fixed simply because it is the server issue, and as a result your PUBG servers won't work too, and as a result you can't play PUBG. So now let's go ahead and open it. Then we log in and we enter in our email ID and our password. But as you can see, simply it will give the same error. Not to worry, it PUBG might give an authorization revoked error which I've just shown you, but that's not a problem. Also, recently the Instagram servers have been down, and that's not a problem. I guess the Instagram servers and the Facebook servers were down altogether, and they were back up by now at the same time. So that's not a problem. Thank you for watching.